Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just had this arrive today from Thompson & Morgan. Let's get my little weather station out of the way, which is really good, by the way. Can't recommend them enough. You get two sensors, one for the inside, one for the outside. Two for the outside, one for the in the shade and one in the sun. You can buy an extra sensor, and it's also got a sensor inside, humidity, mold, that sort of thing. Let's get this open, shall we? See what's in here. Can't remember what I've ordered now. That's that done. That's that there. Let's have a look, shall we? We've got our bee-balm. I think this is what I'm going to be sowing over next week. Bee-balm. Monarda Didyma. Already put it up. Then we have Delphiniums, one of my favourite. This is Pacific Hybrid Mix. That's a nice one. And then we have Gypsophilia, which I'm going to grow all the way through to flowering this time, instead of just showing you how to grow them and then binning them. Here we have Arboreta, Nectar Rich Blooms. Genum Blazing Sunset. We've got some yellow genums, I don't know the name of them, but oh, they are a really nice flower. Geranium Orchid Blue. And then we have Verbena. And these Veronica mixed colours, which look absolutely amazing. So I've got to sort these out, find out what I'm going to sow next couple of weeks and what I'm not going to sow, and then I've got to go through all these. I'm going to make a little tray just to sort them all alphabetically, sort them all perennially, annually, that sort of thing. These bags are really good though, airtight. You pull the moisture out. If you've got any questions about anything at all regarding my garden, greenhouse, that sort of thing, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Also had come over the last few days, this came 10 litres of Coca-Cola, 10cm discs. I've got that, and I've also got 2 types of compost. So what I'm going to do is sowing some seeds in that and the other 2 types of compost, just to find out which one turns out the best. I'm feeling the coir might be good. I also might try and mix a bit of coir with a bit of peat free compost, see how that goes on as well. So yeah, now we're getting there. It's getting a little bit better in here now. Just have a quick spin round, show you how things are progressing. That is both my table now. Say hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, Monkey. How are you, pal? You alright? He's fine. So yeah, everything is starting to come along a treat. Just show you the sensors here. This is one here. This is one for this into the sunlight. You can see there, 17, 43% humidity. And then I've got one, I can't get to it at the moment, it's just round the back here, and that panel that's in the shade, protected from the rain. So yeah, with my little weather station, hopefully we'll have a really good year this year. Let you know the temperatures, the humidity, the frost. So yeah, if you've got any questions about that or anything else, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.